Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Revenge of My Lover, chapter 7. So here it is. Let's read the story. Wenping and Shuang, the two of them are already met today. When they look at each other, both of them suddenly pause. Well, probably, mostly, Wenping. She became too aloof when she see Shuang all the time, but right now, she was looking at her seriously. Shuang seeing Wenping, it makes her a little rattle and said to herself, what to do now? Well, she's been always been following her, wants to be closer with her. Right now, the two of them met each other. Wenping, she looked aside. You know, how are you? Wenping suddenly said to Shuang. But why suddenly right now she become shy to her? For she was always don't want to have any interaction with her. Fine, just got something in my eyes. Shuang said I dare to make it up like this. Well, it was really crazy. Now she think about herself. And also, suddenly, she want to stop Wenping from talking to her. Well, Wenping, she was asking her. Since Shuang is shy, she only said to her that she was fine. But suddenly, Wenping is asking her, cell phone. Now, she got really curious and said, what? Now, she was thinking, why suddenly Wenping is asking for cell phone? Well, turns out, Wenping is asking for cell phone. She only said to her, okay, give her cell phone. Well, this is the best day for her, right? Finally, Wenping is not ignoring her. But instead, she asked for the phone number. Wait, what is she going to do? She won't call the police. Don't you want to take pictures of my current embarrassment? No, this girl, since she was too rattled, was thinking too much. Suddenly, Wenping right now took her phone and Wenping said, promise, I am finally going to be arrested. Well, look at this girl. You even know what Wenping will do. But right now, she was act too rashly. Now, seeing it, it's a mistake. This is, Wenping said to her. This is my contact information. Turns out finally Wenping gave her information and it was really the happiest day of her life. Seeing that this is the contact information of Wenping, she was really happy and said to her thank you. Well, finally, wish really become true. Now, it really makes sense to her. What were you thinking about just now? Thinking about yourself? Now, she was really too happy. Want to celebrate things right out. But let's see. What will Wenping reactions on this? Your phone has been working hard. I have nothing to do. I'll go first. Wenping pretend to be high. Well, after this, Shuang, she become frozen. Of course, didn't really expect it that Wenping would keep her. But she said to Wenping, wait. Wenping, she was really running away too fast. It was a light speed escape. She can no longer stop her because Wenping is already gone. Seeing Wenping trace, she become dumbfounded. She can only set Wenping. Until now, she really can't believe it. She already has her contact information she's been longing for this time. Wenping is gone now. She's finally willing to give me the contact informations. Although I still remember her call. Shuang, all her efforts become fruitful. Today, it was really a success day. Yan Anna, remember that girl. How can a mere Yan Anna find it difficult for me? Now, looking at Shang, she become motivated to face her sister. Back at Wenping home. Since the two of them finally have a little tacit understanding. Wenping right now, she came back to her home. Now, it's just a normal day for her. Saying that I wouldn't have any connection with her. Still, I couldn't hold back when I saw her face. Well, maybe she remember the two of them still finally together after she's being reborn. Back to the real world. What did you say? Who to contact? Suddenly, her friend is asking her. Out of her curiosity, her friend is asking her. She is talking while whispering. Said, you cannot have any misjudgment now is the critical period. Don't worry, there are no misjudgment this time. Oh, Wenping, she know how to make a proper alibi right now. Right now, she remember, in my last life, it was very unpleasant to have judgment and Yang Shuang Shuang. Oh, she remember the sad fuss. But right now, since she got reborn in a different world, Shuang Shuang, she's been pursuing her. You are now the character of an excellent single queen. I just heard that the gossip saying that there's additions to the play. Oh, hearing this right now, she got really surprised. Fault with the investments of the Yan's family. Why did the Yan family suddenly join? Doesn't feel like good thing. Didn't know that Yan Anna is the one who's doing it, and she got really curious about her. So she can able to know how to defeat her sister. Also, I think you are safe today. Suddenly, I don't think it's better to choose. After hearing all of this, Wenping, she was citing, don't just swear, take down this role. Why did you suddenly become cowardly? Well, it really makes sense right now, since she was too reluctant before. Right now, suddenly, she got really interested. Okay, I was just joking. Her friend said to her. She was really smiling at this moment. Her mood suddenly changed. She remembered the day Wenping and Shuang Shuang had finally agreed to have communication to each other. She was still in the car, and right now she was talking to the friend. But suddenly, the car stopped. When she looked outside, the last life, I always thought it was a ghost behind Yan Anna. Now, she want to remember what happened in the past so she can able to dodge whatever bad things will come to her. Especially about the Yan family. In this life, it is inevitable to have contact with the Yan family. Well, she clearly remember about the Yan family on her last life. Right now, she's been aware of it. That's why she carefully thinking about it, asking herself, what should we do? Well, she really need to plan something. A fast event on her last life. She was grasping her hand and said to herself that she need to solve the problem so she can able to dodge all the problem may encounter in the future. Let's see what will happen next. Hi guys, thanks for supporting me, Feliong and Resonance. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!